Hello friends, day 58 and I'm in the Pentland Hills. It's been a relatively easy day today. I came out of Peebles and climbed up through the forests. That was rather nice, walking in the forests. I went through West Linton, which is a lovely little village, and disrupted life in their co-op for a little while whilst the really friendly guy behind the counter was telling everybody about my walk. And as I said, I'm now on the Pentland Hills, which is somewhere I'd heard of but not really been to before. It's really lovely. I said it was an easy day today, and it has been really. Nice gentle slopes, 18.5 miles, 2,500 feet of ascent. It's interesting, isn't it, that I now think of that almost as a rest day. There would have been a time when that would have been a hard day's walk. But I'm still enjoying it very much, and I thoroughly recommend the Pentland Hills. In fact, I thoroughly recommend border country. It's often overlooked because people are either going as far as the Pennines or the Lake District, so they never get to the borders, or they're going to Scotland and they just rush on past. But it's well worth a visit. So see you on the trail. Just to give you a flavour of the Pentland Hills and their beauty, this is my room with a view tonight, and I even get a reservoir in the distance.